Good evening, everyone. So today is lecture 5 on the topic complex number. Complex number. We know that we are discussing complex number. So today we will discuss the square root of a complex number. Or how to find the square root of a complex number. Suppose the complex number is z, which is a plus ib, where a and b belongs to real number and iota I is equal to root under minus 1. As you know, the channel name is Mathematics Rules. Mathematics Rules. So please like and subscribe my channel and please see from the beginning to the end. So now we have to find the square root of z, or square root of a plus ib. So there are two forms. Suppose we will take conjugate of this, then it will come a minus ib. So now I am taking only a plus ib. So suppose that the square root of a complex number is also a complex number, or square, if we will find the square root of a complex number, then it is also a complex number. Complex number is the largest set which contains all the real numbers as well as imaginary numbers also. So it is x plus iy. Suppose it comes where x belongs to real number and y also belongs to real number. If we will find the value of x and y in terms of a and b, then our motive or our objective is to be done. So here let us take this equation as equation number 1 and squaring equation 1 both sides. Okay, both sides. Now root under a plus ib whole square is equal to x plus iy whole square. This will come, and you know that square root of any number, it means that the power is 1 by 2. So square root sign will be removed by this 2, and this is a plus b whole square. So we will break here with the help of the formula a plus b whole square. So it is a square plus b square plus 2a into b. So a plus ib is equal to ib. I am generally telling iota by I because it is in the form of I, small I, and it is iota. So now iota square y square 2xy into iota. So as you know that iota square is equal to minus 1, So in the right hand side here we will put -1, so it is minus y square and then x plus 2xy iota. So this is taken as equation number 2. Now two complex numbers are equal if their real parts is equal to the real parts. I mean imaginary parts is equal to the imaginary parts. So equating both sides real both sides real and imaginary parts. Suppose that there are two complex numbers you have studied in the previous video. You can see my previous video where these theories are explained. So x1 plus iy1, suppose it is equal to x2 plus iy2. If the two complex numbers are equal, it means that x1 is equal to x2 or y1 is equal to y2. So real part is equal to the real part and imaginary part is equal to the imaginary part. So here the real part is a and here the real part is x square y square. So a is equal to x square minus y square. This is taken as equation number 3. And now IB is equal to 2xy into I means iota. So iota will cancel. So B is equal to 2xy. This is taken as equation number 4. We know that a plus b, I am not writing a plus b. Suppose I am writing m plus n whole square is equal to m minus n whole square plus 4mn. As you know that I am not writing here a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab because here is a, b are given, and if I am writing x and y, xy is also taken by me, so it will create a confusion. That is why I have written the formula m plus n whole square is equal to m minus n whole square plus 4mn. Now, if I will take x square plus y square in place of, because we know that x square minus y square is equal to a. If we will calculate the value of x square plus y square in terms of a and b, then we can easily find the value of x and y in terms of a and b. So it is whole square is equal to x square minus y square whole square and then plus 4x square y square. Now in place of x square y square, from equation 3 x square y square is equal to a. Put x square y square is equal to a, it is a square, and now 4x square y square can be written as 2xy whole square. So it is a square plus, in place of 2xy is equal to b in the fourth equation. From fourth equation, here we can write b square. So x square plus y square is equal to whole square is equal to a square plus b square, and now x square plus y square is equal to root under a square plus b square, and I am taking here plus and minus sign because the square root of any number will give the positive and negative value. So suppose this is taken as equation number 5, and we have calculated earlier, we have just calculated x square minus y square, it is equal to a. So this is equation number 3 I am writing. Now from these two equations we can eliminate with the help of elimination method. We can find out the value of x. So adding equation 5 and 3 we get. So y will cancel here, y square will cancel. So 2x square is equal to a plus minus root under a square plus b square. Then x square is equal to a plus minus root under a square plus b square whole divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to root under, here we will take also plus minus sign because square root we are taking, a plus minus root under a square plus b square divided by 2. So we have calculated the value of x in terms of a and b. Now this is the equation from which we can find out the value of x. Now if we will subtracting equation 3 in equation 5, then what we get here is negative, here will be positive, here is negative. So here x will, in this way x will cancel out and x square will cancel out, and we will get 2y square is equal to root under a square plus b square minus a, and plus minus also. So here y square, in the next page I am doing this. So now see 2y square is equal to root under a square plus b square minus a. Here is plus minus both signs, and y square is equal to plus minus root under a square plus b square minus a divided by 2. This 2 will come here, and y is equal to root under. So again you will just omit it, plus minus, because plus minus will also we will write in the first, right, 2. So here I am writing plus minus, here it is plus minus. If you will take here, the value will be almost same, or a little bit change takes place. So now, so with the help of this equation, we can find the value of y in terms of a and b. So if x is positive and y is also positive, then x into y is equal to positive number. It means that xy is greater than 0. So in this case, we use the formula x plus iy, square root of a plus ib, or square root of z is equal to x. In place of x we will write plus minus, we will write, and in the bracket we will write root under a plus minus root under a square plus b square divided by 2 plus root under root a square plus b square minus a by 2, and then iota into iota this. So with the help of this equation, we can directly find the square root of the given complex number. So if both will be the negative, both will be negative sign, then again xy is greater than 0. Then we can use this formula. And if suppose that z is equal to, if z is equal to a minus ib is given, a minus ib is in this form it is given, then we have to find, suppose we have to find the square root of z, then you will have to take x minus iy. Under such type of thing, here plus minus will be written over here as it is, and here you will just put negative sign, a plus minus root under a square plus b square and divided by 2 minus root under a square plus b square minus a divided by 2 into iota. So this, so both this result will help directly to find the square root of any complex number which is in the form of either a plus ib or a minus ib. It means that is standard form. If in the standard form the complex number is given, then you can find easily the square root of this complex number. But if the complex number is not given in the standard form, first of all you will have to make by multiplying numerator and denominator of the complex number by the conjugate of the complex number. Now I am coming to the problems on the square root. Suppose first question I have taken here, find the square root of complex number -7 minus 24i. So this question, let solution. So here is a minus sign, so we will use this formula. So here let z is equal to -7 minus 24i. So if we will compare it with x minus iy, because suppose that we have to find the square root of this, we will get this. Let us suppose this. So if we will compare this, -7 minus 24i equal to a minus ib. A minus, because here is minus. Don't see that this minus. So here is minus. So if you will see, then a is equal to -7 and minus iota b is equal to minus 24i. So I will cancel, and minus minus will also cancel. So b is equal to 24. So now root under a square plus b square you have to find. Here is root under a square plus b square. So root under 7 square and then 24 square. So 49, and it is 576. So root under 625, it is 25. Square root 25. So now here square root of minus c. the square root of minus 7 minus 24i is equal to plus minus, writing the formula, root under a plus root under a square plus b square whole divided by 2, and then here I am taking minus root under a square plus b square minus a whole divided by 2 into iota. So here plus minus a is equal to minus 7 and square root of a square b square 25. So here 25 divided by 2 minus 25, and then it is minus 7 and divided by 2 into iota. So here plus minus root under, this is 7, 7, 14, 18, 16 by this 18 by 2 minus, this is plus, and then 25 plus 7, 32 by 2 I, so it is 9, and this is 16, and here is 9 is coming, so plus minus 3 minus 4i. So this, so we can write plus minus 3 minus 4i in the small bracket. So a square root of minus 7 minus 24i is equal to this. So this is the square root of this complex number. So I think it is very clear to everyone, very clear to you. So if you will take here in the question, here will be plus minus sign is there, then you will get you will get 2 here. Here see 2 value. The first is 3 minus 4i. Let me a little bit, I have to switch to the copy. Or here I am writing the square root of minus 7 minus 24i is equal to plus minus 3 minus 4i. So first, if you will take the positive sign, 3 minus 4i, and second, if you will take negative